Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make curry leaves powder. This is a very healthy and delicious powder that you can use for seasoning in your dishes. Curry leaves has a lot of health benefits such as it reduces the risk of heart diseases, powerful antioxidant, manages diabetics and kills bacteria. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have a bunch of fresh curry leaves. Clean wash it and dry it completely. Now remove the curry leaves from the stem. Likewise separate all the curry leaves and keep it ready. Now transfer the curry leaves to a wide bowl like this. Spread it well. Sun dry this for a week. After 1 week, the curry leaves are nice and dry. You can easily crumble with your hands. Now transfer the dry curry leaves to a mixer jar. Grind this to a fine powder. Now a healthy and delicious curry leaves powder is ready. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can use for 3 months time. You can use this powder for seasoning in your recipes or for making hair oils or even for face packs. Very easy, delicious and a healthy recipe. So do try this curry leaves powder recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.